Question number 186, Dr. Thol Tiruman Valvan.
Sir, respected sir, supplementary to the question. Sir, the government has collected 6,14,036 crore.
आप रवि कुमार हैं. मैंने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में थोल थिरुमावल 1 नहीं आ रहा है, दिखे. माननीय मंत्री जी
एक विवरण सभा पटल पर रख दीजिए.
श्री डी रवि कुमार जी, आप पूछिए.
Thank you, sir. Sir, the government has collected 6,14,036 crores up to 2023-24 as GST compensation cess, sir. But it released only 4,70,648 crore to states and has stopped giving compensation in 2022. Sir, I want to know from the Honorable Minister through you, why the government is continuously collecting GST compensation cess even after they stop giving the compensation to states?
Sir, I'm not sure if it is related to this question at all, sir, because it relates to the cess collection on crude oil. But never mind, since the member has asked a question, I'll try to respond. Sir, GST compensation cess technically ended by 30th of June 2022. But with the consent and the collective decision-making process that happens in the Council, it has been extended till March 26, only because during the COVID time, since there was no collection for the GST, the assured GST compensation which had to be paid to the states could not be paid, and we had to borrow to pay it. The borrowing happened with the Council's approval. The collection of the cess after June 30th, 2022 is only for paying that loan taken to pay the GST compensation cess, which was compensation which had to be paid during the COVID time. So that is the reason why compensation cess is being collected even now, because it goes purely to pay that borrowing which had been taken for giving the compensation to the states during COVID, and that is what is happening now.
प्रश्न प्रहर समाप्त हुआ. माननीय सदस्यगण, कुछ माननीय व्यवस्था सुन लीजिए. अब आपने कह दिया ना, आप व्यवस्था सुन लीजिए. माननीय सदस्यगण, कुछ माननीय सदस्यों द्वारा आप बैठ जाएं, हमारी व्यवस्था सुन लें. मैं व्यवस्था देने जा रहा हूं. प्रोफेसर सौगत राय, कृपया काइंडली टेक योर सीट. आप बैठ जाएं. आप बैठ जाएं. माननीय सदस्यगण, कुछ माननीय सदस्यों द्वारा कुछ विषयों पर स्थगन प्रस्ताव की सूचनाएं प्राप्त हुई हैं. अध्यक्ष जी ने स्थगन प्रस्ताव की किसी भी सूचना के लिए अनुमति प्रदान नहीं की है. तो कृपया
இதுபோன்று முக்கிய நிகழ்வுகள், அரசியல் தகவல்களை ஆழமாகவும் மாறுபட்ட கோணத்திலும் அறிந்து கொள்ள மறக்காமல் உங்கள் IND தமிழ் 24/7 பக்கத்தை பின்பற்றிக் கொள்ளவும். உங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு ஆதரவும் இதுபோன்று பல நிகழ்வுகளின் பின்னணியை அறிய உதவும்.